Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Virgos, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Virgos, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will come up right after this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards. Here we have letter, anchor, and clouds. So in your circumstances, Virgos, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are facing some challenges today, something difficult for you. So maybe in your work you may have some confusion regarding what choices to make or what decisions to make. So there is some kind of uncertainty in your circumstances. And maybe you have a lot of dreams. You are dreaming something big, maybe for yourself, for your career, some ambitions you may have. But if you want success in your life, you must go for action, guys. So simply dreaming is not enough. You must have that focus and dedication to move forward. And you are someone really devoted to your work, but today for some reason you are quite confused. You are just waiting for something is not clear. That may be the reason you are not taking the concrete steps in your circumstances today, guys. So because of these challenges or maybe some distractions in your circumstances, you may have some distractions. So in your relationship also, guys, with this person, maybe you may feel a little confused. You don't know how things are going to turn out or what will be the outcome. So some lack of clarity may be there. But there are some things going in the right way, guys. Maybe you are seeing some positive change happening. Maybe there may be some confusions or doubts, but both of you want commitment or marriage. You are moving towards that, and you are moving towards a more responsible outlook. You have that responsible outlook on life today. So maybe this person has accepted your proposal for marriage. So there is some happy beginning I see with these cards, guys. And you are having that sense of completion, and you feel secure and safe in your circumstances, because this is what you had expected from them. But there may be some arguments, you may have some misunderstandings, some confusions may be there from both of your point of view. Maybe you have some second thoughts about this relationship, whether it will work or not. But both of you love each other, and there is also a good news coming towards you. So it may be the good news this person is telling you. Maybe the doubts or confusion may be because this person was waiting for something, maybe waiting for a positive news in their career. So that may be the reason you are getting some news today, something helping you to move positively in this relationship, guys. So for your career relationship, we picked this card, guys. So again, it's a very positive card. So with this card, it just means that you are planning to get married, or planning to get committed, or planning for what to say, a wedding, or maybe to start a family, have a child together. So it's a very positive card here, guys. So there may be some confusions in your life, but all that is going to resolve. That is what I would say with these cards. So for your career situation, we have book. So looks like you are going to get clarity. So whatever was not clear, you will see things clearly today, and you will have a better understanding what needs to be done in your career situation, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Virgos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey. But they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just what to say we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however, life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So, you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So, whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So, whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So, you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps. Move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So, life is not working in a cross purpose with you, it is the co conspirator of your heart. So, if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.